surge in cases of RSV and increasing cases of the flu is causing bed shortages across the state. Healthcare systems are already stretched thin, and now workers have to deal with more patients coming in.
As someone who is directly taking care of the children affected by this current respiratory surge, we urge everyone to be vaccinated who is able.
That was the message today as health leaders and government officials from across Chicago gathered at Lurie Children's Hospital to lay out the dire situation facing area hospitals.
The system is under a tremendous amount of stress and strain, and it's not sustainable. They need us to help them.
The surge in cases of RSV in children has been building for several months. And now an increase in flu and COVID-19 cases is causing long wait times for kids in emergency rooms and decreased bed availability. Right now, only 9% of pediatric ICU beds are available statewide.
By comparison, even during the worst moments of the COVID-19 pandemic, we saw nothing like this. In fact, we never dropped below 50% in our PICU capacity.
Health leaders say steps taken during the pandemic, like masking up and social distancing, kept children from catching these respiratory viruses for the last 2.5 years. And this is the first time many have ever been exposed to the illnesses.
In fact, the vast majority of children born since March of 2020 have never encountered these viruses. That leaves a very large number of children in our community without any immunity to these viruses and puts them at risk for harm.
Flu season has not yet peaked, and health officials expect the number of children needing care for these viruses to increase significantly over the next several weeks.
Because of lack of immunity in so many kids, hospitals are working extremely hard to provide the necessary health care to many more children than we would otherwise provide in a typical RSV and flu season.
Which is why they're now turning to the public for help and asking people to get themselves and their children a flu shot.
While there is currently no vaccine for RSV, there are vaccines against COVID-19 and the flu. Yet, we have not seen enough Chicagoans take advantage of this tool to protect themselves and those around them.
The Chicago Department of Public Health is offering flu shots at no cost. They also have a program where they'll come to your house to administer either a flu shot or a COVID-19 booster. Reporting at Lurie Children's Hospital, Alyssa Donovan, WGN News.